Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to take you through how to use the package or service migration tool within Uboss. The migration tool allows you to migrate one or more users from an existing package or service to an alternative. This is a great tool to use if you've just re-signed or done a service review with your customer and need to make large changes to their user package or service. So let's get started. From the home page, select Tools from the left-hand menu. Select Package or Service Migrations, and this will bring you up a list of your previously managed migrations. For a new migration, click Add on the right-hand side. From the first drop-down menu, select your target business. From the next drop-down menu, select the package that you wish to migrate away from. And then lastly, from the drop-down menu, select the new package or service you wish to move your users to. This will list all of your users on the existing package. Now you can select all of these by clicking on that button here. Alternatively, you can select each user individually. Once you've selected your users, simply click the Migrate button. This will now queue this job for Uboss to change all of these users in the backend. You can find out more about the progress of your migration from the summary page. Simply click into the migration ID number and this will give you an update of the current status along with any error messages found if there was a problem. If there was a problem, rectify the issue detailed in the description and go through the migration process again. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this useful.